Yo, what is up guys? Today we're going to be installing some LED lights on the TW200. This is my 2021 Yamaha TW200. Picked it up back in August. I've done one mod on it. It was actually my first YouTube video. I went to the junkyard, picked up a horn off of a Jeep, and I installed it on the TW. Much louder. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, links down in the description. Yeah, so that was the first mod. Finally, I've been wanting to do this one for a while. I picked up a pack of 2. Yeah, let's get started. Open the package. Free gift glove, sweet. Yeah, we're gonna need this because we don't want to be touching the bulbs in there. So this is what the bulbs look like. So 2 LEDs on each side. We want to make sure we get that leveled correctly. There's a nice little fan right there. First, we're gonna start off by taking this headlight shroud off. Start off with this bolt right here. Put that off to the side. Come around over here. Lift it up. Take it off of that. And right there. Sweet. Now you got 2 bolts right here. One on this side and one on the other one. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna remove these bolts. You're gonna need a 10mm socket. So you come around here, pull this off gently. Do not let this fall. Whatever you do, you're gonna have to disconnect this. Sweet, so we got our headlight off. We're gonna put our gloves on now. I feel like Michael Jackson. Oh, these really suck, but hey, they were free. Make sure you use your gloves, cause what is up with this pinky? If you get the oils from your hands on the bulb, it'll actually cause it to go out. It'll burn quicker, so you want to be careful with this right here. You're gonna go ahead and remove this rubber boot. Put that off to the side. It says top right there. You gotta make sure when we reinstall this, we're gonna put that on the top, as it says. It is hot, dude. It is so hot right now. I don't have a fan in my garage right now. I'm kind of dying right now. You're gonna go ahead and counterclockwise. There we go. Let it loose. Right here. Our bulb, we're just gonna pull that out. There we go. There's a stock bulb. We're gonna grab our LED bulb right here. We're gonna install it this way. Make sure it's nice and flush in there. Reinsert locking mechanism. There we go. We got that on nice and tight. Gonna take our rubber boot. Make sure you get this flap over. We're gonna reinstall it. Just repeat everything you did. So we're gonna take this connector right here, connect it back into the bulb. Right over here, there's a little latch. There's a little notch right there. You're gonna make sure you line that up. That goes right in there. Start pushing the bulb back. Go ahead and put these on to the side and reinsert our bolt. It's really that simple, super simple. And the other bulb I got for my dad. Eventually I do want to have some light pods onto the side. I'll be doing a video on that. I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm sweating, dude. I'm probably greasy right now, I'm sweating, dude. But yeah, now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the garage lights. You're gonna come over to my bike. If I can see it, I can't really see right now. Sheesh. That is bright, dude. Hell yeah, that's dope. Compared to the stock light. The LED bulb from Amazon and stock. We're gonna go and try them side by side. So stock high beam, stock low beam, LED low beam, super easy, quick and simple. Really stoked with that. The durability of the bulb, I'm not exactly sure. I've seen on the TW forums, some people have gone and chose this bulb. They said good things about it. I'm gonna wait it out and see how long this bulb lasts. I'll probably do a review later on saying what I think about the bulb. Eventually, I probably will get the whole JNS LED headlamp, so that'll probably be in the future whenever this bulb probably goes out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Quick and easy. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, peace out. I can't